In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font on the Shopify theme. First off, let's dive into why you might want to change the fonts on your Shopify store. Fonts play a crucial role in the overall aesthetic and readability of your website. They can help set the tone and make your brand's message clear. So, getting the right font is essential to ensuring your store looks professional and resonates with your target audience. To begin, you'll want to log in to your Shopify admin. You should see the dashboard upon logging in. From there, navigate to the Online Store section. This is where you can find and manage your themes. Once in the online store, ensure that the Themes option is selected. This area shows which theme is currently in use. If you're using the Dawn theme, it should be visibly marked as your active theme. Next, click on Customize. This will take you to the theme editor, where you can make changes to your store's appearance. In the theme editor, there's a menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find various customization options for different parts of your store. To change the fonts, you'll want to look for the theme settings located at the bottom of this menu. Click on it, and you will see a new set of options appear. Under Theme Settings, you'll see a tab for Typography. Clicking on Typography will open up font customization options. Here, you can choose different fonts for different parts of your store. For example, you might have one font for headings and another for the body text. Take your time exploring the drop-downs available. Shopify provides a wide array of fonts, so you can find something that perfectly matches your brand's identity. Once you've selected your desired fonts, it's important to preview how they look. In the top right corner of the theme editor, there should be a Preview button. Use this to see your changes live in action across different pages. Check the readability and overall appearance. Make sure that the new fonts complement your overall design and do not compromise on readability, especially on mobile devices. After reviewing, if you're satisfied with the changes, the next step is to save them. Look for a Save button, usually located at the top right of the customization interface. Click to ensure your changes are not lost. And just like that, your new fonts should be live on your store. If at any point you want to switch back or experiment further, you can always return to the typography settings and adjust. Remember, fonts are more than just style, they help communicate the personality of your brand. And with these steps, changing them on the Shopify theme is a breeze. Thanks for joining me in this guide, and I hope you found these instructions helpful for enhancing your Shopify store.